Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CapCut Auto Reframe tutorial. So here I've already opened the CapCut PC, and the Auto Reframe feature will allow you to crop or reframe your videos, but it will make sure that the objects on the video is still at the center or in the video. So if you have a moving object in a video, you don't need to worry when you crop it, because CapCut will make the object still visible on the frame. So in here, if you want to use the auto reframe, simply just add a video and click on it here on the track and go to the basic, scroll down, and you'll find auto reframe. So just enable it by clicking on this checkbox. You can choose the aspect ratio. For example, in here I'm going to go with 9 by 16. Just choose the ratio, and you can see the auto reframe will automatically be applied. Here you can enable the image stabilization, but since the objects on my clips is doesn't move too much, so I'm going to just use the default. And also the camera moving speed, I'm going to just also set it as default. Now you can just click on apply. You can see my clip will be reframed just like this, and you can now just change the canvas into the same aspect ratio. So just click on the ratio here, 9 by 16, and that's it. This is the final result, and so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.